Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to install Boombox mod in Lethal Company. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by downloading the Thunderstore mod manager from its official website. Once downloaded, run the mod manager. You will be greeted with an interface that displays various options and features. Locate Lethal Company within the list of available games. If you do not already have a profile for the game, create a new one to proceed. Navigate to the Get Mods tab in the Mod Manager. Here, you can search for specific mods. Begin by searching for the mod titled Custom Boombox Music by Steven. Download this mod. Next, search for another mod called Boombox Sync by Future Savior and download it as well. After you have downloaded these mods, go to the Settings tab within the Mod Manager. Here, you need to set the music folder location. Select the folder where Lethal Company is installed. This ensures that the mods will use the correct directory for your music files. Next, switch to the Profiles tab. Select the profile into which you installed the mods. Open the corresponding folder for this profile. Within this folder, create a new directory named Custom Songs. Inside Custom Songs, create another folder and name it Boombox Music. You will place your desired music files into this Boombox Music folder. With your music files in place, you can launch Lethal Company and enjoy the new custom Boombox music. This setup allows you to play your own music tracks in the game using the Boombox, enhancing your gaming experience with a personal touch. So that's basically how to install Boombox mod in Lethal Company. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.